Hello friends, welcome back to the Chimade Educative Video channel. In this video I want to share this tutorial guide on how to use WPS app and Xrecorder screen recording, video recording for an amazing videos. You can create amazing videos with this powerful tool. So if you're a new content creator learning how to create quality videos for your YouTube, you have to go through this video. I will do my best to make it a bit short, but don't miss any part of this video. So let me quickly take you to this. It means that before I do this, I must have already installed WPS on my phone, also Xrecorder. So make sure you have these two apps on your phone already. So let's go on now. So first thing I'm going to do is to watch. I'm going to launch my WPS, which is this. You're going to see why we need this. Now, please let me quickly go. Let me go back to home or create new. I go on create new. Now watch. I'm going to choose presentation. Please pay attention. I'm choosing presentation. That's when you talk about presentation, I'm talking about slide. Just like when you have your Google slide or what you call Microsoft PowerPoint. That's what it is. Now, I've chosen this, but because I want to use Xrecorder on this, you see why I'm using Xrecorder. Actually, I'm recording this video with Mobizen, but there's a difference between Mobizen and you're going to see one advantage Xrecorder has on Mobizen. And now the question you may ask me, why am I going to be using Mobizen and Xrecorder at the same time? Ordinarily, I could have used Xrecorder to do every video, but then Mobizen also has an advantage because you can use Mobizen to record lengthy video without it crashing. But most times, you can use Mobizen to record lengthy video without it crashing. But most times, if you record a video that's a bit longer, the Xrecorder on the way may crash and you lose all your videos, you start up again. So I'm going to use a particular tool on Mobizen. So let me quickly go back to Xrecorder right now. I have it here. That is it. Now, this is it. It's launching. But there's something I want to show you, please. Because when you install Xrecorder first, there are things you may not see. You can see this thing that looks like brush. It has come out. But let me go to Xrecorder home and see how to fix some of these things. Because if you are new to Xrecorder, this is exactly what you're going to see. So there's need for me to tell you what to do. Now, looking at this, you are seeing this here. This one that looks like circle in front. I'm looking at these apps up. The first one you are seeing, if you click on it, that means you want to show your face. Let me click on it for you to see. Are you seeing it? You are seeing this. But I don't want to do this, so I'm removing it. If you're recording a video, you want to show your face, do that. Now, this other one, second one, is screenshot. Now, the one you see down here that writes record is recording. You want to start recording videos. This one is screenshot. Then this one, make sure this one that looks like brush, that's the third one here. Click on it, make sure it's working. Now, I can remove it. It's off. You are not seeing it here. But when I put it, it's here, I have shown. Look at it. This thing I'm dragging here now. Because this thing has a part it's going to play. And as we start this, you're going to see the part it plays. So that's why most of the time when I'm recording my videos with Mobizen, I will still keep this part of Xrecorder on. I'm not using the video part of Xrecorder, but I want to use the brush because it's going to help me. Now let's look at what is going to help us. So let's quickly go back to our presentation tool, which is in the WPS, to see what we can do. Okay, now you want to create a video, and this thing is a presentation tool. If you have a Microsoft PowerPoint in your system, you're going to see all of this. So for instance, I want to talk about, I'm going to double tap on this. I want to talk about amazing videos. This could be any topic. Remember, topic you have chosen, amazing videos. I hold it tight. Just see what I'm doing when it comes to formatting. I want to format this. Some people record video, they don't care about formatting. Everything looks so, I don't know, having formatted it, highlighted it, I choose this B here. This B means bold. You see a B bolder. I want to also choose color. This thing that have A underline black is color. If I click on it, I'm going to see a lot of other colors. Imagine I can choose this one. I can choose this one. This is the one I just decided to choose. Amazing videos with WPS and Xrecorder. I seen it. I may still want to bolden it again by highlighting. Just wait and watch what I'm doing. I'm not going to waste the entire time because once I show you what to do, you can do the rest. I highlight. I also choose bold. I might increase it. If you see this A plus means increasing the font. A minus means decreasing the font. So I might choose this. And all that. It's okay. At this point, it's okay. I even like this color. It's okay. Amazing video with WPS and Xrecorder. This is the video I want to prepare. This is how I want it to be. Are you getting it? Watch what I want to do here. Now, the second slide, I click on plus down there. The second slide, I want to put an image. So because I want to put an image, I decided to choose blank space. You can see my blank space. Now, watch what I want to show you. Now, if I want to use that Xrecorder, the brush part, I click on it. I see what it's bringing out. Look at this. If I click this one that look like an arrow, I seen it. Maybe I want to point at something. I'm doing a demonstrative training or video where I need to say, okay, what this, so I can do this. So, okay, can you see this? I see that arrow is part of the video that guides me because you are teaching something, people need to look at the screen. So that's the part discipline. But if you don't want to use that one, you can use the brush itself where you can even draw a line. Okay, look at what I'm going to do. I want to choose this particular layout, this blank layout. Are you seeing it? You see I've drawn a line. Or I can say, okay, look at it. I'm using this. Are you following what I'm saying? If you want to delete any of this, look at this. Or what if I want to draw a circle? I just do like this. Are you seeing it? What of a rectangle or a square? I just do like this. See from that Xrecorder 2. You can see that Xrecorder 2 does a lot. If you want to change the color, you can see the color here. The color here already now, the default color is red. I can change that color to something else. So all of these things are all there. You can use them. So anytime you are using it and you have done what you want to do, like for instance, I tell you now, okay, you know what? I want to click this blank space. I'm showing you the blank space that I want to click on it since I want to attach an image. So I choose a blank space layout. Once I'm done, I'm going to click off this. I've already shown you that video. You have seen what I want to show you. That thing is off so that I can have space. Now I click on blank space. Because if you leave that in there, you can't click on any other thing. He has already blocked any other movement. Now, on this blank space, I want to upload an image. It means that before now, I must have already downloaded that image. Either the one I designed for myself or the one I downloaded that is suitable to what I'm doing. So what do? Look at where they wrote picture here. Down here, I click on picture. It takes me to my system and I have that image I want to upload. It is this one here. Look at the image I want to upload. This one. So I'm going to click on it. It's already there. I click on this thing here. Look at this thing here. Because when you have it, it's not enough. You have to click on that circle. So click on it and then add it. You see an add button down here. It's not showing clearly, but it's there. It's okay. It has been added. Are you seeing it? Look at my two slides. The first one, the second one. I can still adjust it. Because why do I might decide to even make this first slide, this second slide to be first. So if I want it to, even though it's here and I hold it from down here and drag it. It has become first. I seen it. Look at my first slide, second slide. So I can do a lot of adjustments. So I'm looking at, amazing videos with WPS and Xrecorder. That's what I'm recording as a video. So at this point, I do this. Every other thing I want to talk about it. Now, remember, this is my topic. What if your topic, you are teaching English language and you are designing your graphic and you have pasted it? And now your English language or whatever topic, social studies, basic science, you have a topic. You now use your hand and start typing it. The typing is easy. If you want to, let me just say, okay, type one more thing. So I want to choose another layout. Just pay attention. Let me choose the layout that says title and content. So I write here, tools needed. Let's say that's what this particular slide will say. I'm telling you the tools you need for doing this. Now, I see bolding as well as this. Maybe I give you the color. I give you this one. Now, in the tools needed, I say number 1, WPS app. Number 2, Xrecorder app. And I want to also make all of this bold. You double tap it so that you can do this. Now I want to make it bolder. I want to increase it. Okay, maybe this is what I want to type here. Maybe, you are recording a video. There could be a need for you to also maybe attach, an image that says subscribe or even type it. Subscribe to our channel, whichever one. Let me just do that finally before we finalize the whole thing. This is Chima the Educator. Subscribe. This is what I'm writing for you to do. I say you should subscribe. Like. Share. I also bolding them again and increase them. Possibly give it a different color. Okay. Now, I've done this. I can as well use graphic to do it. Now, the next thing you do, watch me. I have 5, you can create unlimited slide. You see, every video tool I'm using to teach you and train you, as long as this channel is concerned when it comes to video creation, some of them have different limitations. So, but this one, you can create many lengthy slides and keep on creating. Now, having done this, I want to do something. I want to bring in, transition to this. And it's going to be amazing. Now, look at this. Look at this thing you're seeing here. This first button here, click on it. It's another world. You see, it's almost everything you see, but my interest is this one, this particular menu called transition. Are you seeing it? Watch. I choose a kind of any of the transitions I think I like. Look at this type. Do you see how it is? That is presentation for you. That's what we call, this is it. The slide itself. That's how it works. Now, if I say, okay, that one is okay, and okay, what of the one on clock? What of switch? Are you seeing it? Now, if this is my first slide, I decide to make it different from other slides in transition. All I do, once I've done this, I say, okay, I'm choosing switch. I click and go to the second slide and choose another one. But if I think that one I choose, I want it to go through the whole thing, I drag this in and choose apply to all slides. And that particular transition type have been applied to all slides. Then at this point, I'm back to this. Let me go back to my main work. Now I'm done. Now look up. See where they wrote done. Click on that done. Once you know you are done with creating, your whatever. Now you can see how it is. As it is now, look at it. Watch what I'm going to do. Click on play. Display down here. Watch. Watch it. I seen it. Now, do you know why this one is so fantastic? Watch what I'm saying you. In this case, it's different from Benimi. Benimi that is subscribing. You are rushing to meet up with the scribing. This one, you can take your cool. It's okay. Hello, friends. Today, I want to train you on how to create amazing videos with WPS and Xrecorder. Please do well to subscribe to our channel as we go through this video. You see where I'm also touching things because I have my time. This one is not, I'm the one that be moving the slide. It's not rushing. I'm not rushing to meet up with the scribing. No. Now, when I'm done with this, I say, okay, our topic today is actually amazing video creation with WPS and Xrecorder. And then you need to know if you are going to do this, there are some tools you actually need. One is WPS app, and secondly, Xrecorder app. You talk and say everything you want to say. Remember, I'm just talking on this. What if I'm teaching English language? I'll be able to, as I'm rolling out the slides, I'm talking. That means in that case, I'm the one fully controlling the whole thing. At the end of the day, it's okay. Please do well having watched this video. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it. And if you have any question, please use the comment box. Use the comment box to talk to us. We'll always be here for you. I'm going to stop at this point. Thanks for watching. You finish whatever you are doing. Because this way you are in perfect control. You see the part Xrecorder, that particular brush is doing for you. If you are using Mobizen, you can have that brush, but you have to pay for the pro version. But this Xrecorder version, free version, gives you that brush. So that's why if you are a content creator, if you are new to all these things, that's why you see some of us who have a lot of app, you're wondering why you're gathering all this app. Each and every one of them has a part it plays. So this is exactly how it goes. And even on myself, I'm going to still encourage you. So watching the video, you are new to this channel, this is time to subscribe. We are still doing training for teachers on YouTube for Educators Crash Course. It's not late for you to join and learn how to make money creating contents on YouTube. I'm going to stop at this point. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and don't forget to share it. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.